Lean, design thinking, and agile. What are all these buzzwords? And how do they all fit together? When we talk about lean, the first name that strikes our mind is Toyota. However, it is worth noting that the history of lean started all the way back to the Arsenal in Venice. And thereafter, the first person who integrated the concept of lean in the manufacturing system was Henry Ford. Lean is the concept of efficient manufacturing that grew out of the Toyota production system in the middle of the 20th century. It is based on the philosophy of defining value from the customer's viewpoint. You can apply the concept of lean in any business or production process, from manufacturing to marketing and software development. The lean methodology relies on three very simple ideas. Deliver value from your customer's perspective, eliminate waste, and continuously improving the way in which value is delivered. Of course, by eliminating every use of resources that is wasteful or that does not contribute to the goal. The Agile Manifesto was born in 2001, where 17 people gathered in Utah in US to discuss how they could speed up development in order to bring new software to market faster. During this meeting, they hoped to further expand on their progress and land on a more concrete solution to the major development problems of the time. This group has produced then what we call the Manifesto for Agile Software Development, known also as the Agile Manifesto. This manifesto laid out 4 key values. Individuals and interactions offer processes and tools. Work in software over comprehensive documentation. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. And responding to change over following a plan. In Agile, we build products incrementally and iteratively, which helps teams deliver value to their customers faster and with fewer headaches. Recently, design thinking has gained momentum in the business world. Design thinking as an approach has been slowly evolving since the 60s. Over the past 50 years, design thinking has appropriated many of the best tools and techniques from creative fields, social and computer sciences. Design thinking is applied as an umbrella term for multidisciplinary, human-centered projects that involve research and rapid iteration. Design thinking is an iterative process in which we seek to understand the user, challenge assumptions, and redefine problems in an attempt to identify alternative strategies and solutions that might not be instantly apparent with our initial level of understanding. At the same time, design thinking provides a solution-based approach to solving problems. It is a way of thinking and working, as well as a collection of hands-on methods. So how does these 3 ways of working fit together? When we start any kind of product development, we do not necessarily have a big knowledge about the customer, nor the products. This is where we can use design thinking. Going through this phase will help us understand the customer needs and define a minimum viable concept. From there, we can start working with the concept in small iterations, using the agile way of working, which will help us deliver a minimum viable product, the smallest and functioning product that we can deliver to our customer, and that can allow us to test our idea and get feedback from the customer. Once the minimum viable product is available, we use the feedback gathered from the customer to add new functionalities until the customer is satisfied and we have reached a stable product. We can then use the Lean toolbox to scale our product and improve it. Here we can use value stream mapping or other Lean tools to get out the best output. Once we reach the Lean phase, it might happen that we find a new way how to continue with our product, and then the cycle can start again, and we can go through the same steps all over again. Design thinking, agile, lean provides different tools that we can use during the life cycle of our products. It's not either design thinking, either agile, either lean, but it's having all of them together that will help us deliver the right product to our customers. And we can, of course, use tools from Lean while we are in the Agile phase or in the design thinking phase, and vice versa. Pick the tools you need for the situation you have in hand. These ways of working support different steps of the way, but at the end, they all serve the same mindset of improvement and customer value. I hope you understand better the differences between design thinking, Agile, and Lean, and how they all fit together. Please leave us a feedback and follow us to receive more content. Thank you.